Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on the Mobills application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Mobills application on your device, and once you open it up, you will see the Get Started button. If you don't already have an account, tap on Get Started in order to sign up. Now you have two different options to sign up. You can either use your Google account by clicking on Continue with Google, or you can continue with your email address. Choose either one of these options and you will be asked to enter your credentials. Type in your name and tap on Continue, and you will be asked to enter your email. After entering your email address, click on Continue once again and you will be allowed to enter your desired password. After typing in your desired password and meeting the criteria, click on the Continue button and you will be asked to enter the security code that has been sent to the email address that you entered. So check your inbox within this email address, and once you enter this code, your account will be created successfully. And now you will be logged in to your newly created account on Mobills. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on Mobills application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.